quite a quick one to answer. So, about taking your medication on holiday with you, will you get stopped at customs? Will it get confiscated? So, this is a really good question, and we see it quite a bit. So, from two sides. So, where you've got the injections, these medications should be kept cold when you're not using them. So, ideally refrigerated, and ideally we want them between sort of 2 to 8 degrees, which is about fine for your home refrigerator. Maybe don't put it in the door of the refrigerator. Put it towards the back, especially if you've ordered multiple pens that you plan to use over the course of a few weeks to months. Put them towards the back of the fridge so they're not so subject to the door opening and closing, because once they're kept cold, they'll last as long as their expiry date. So if you're going on holiday and you plan to take multiple pens, maybe you're lucky enough to be going away for a while and you want to take all your pens with you, you must make sure you keep them cold, because once they warm up, they then start to be limited in how long you can use them for. You've sort of got between a 4 to 6 week window, depending on which medication you are to use the medication, which should be absolutely fine because every single pen has 4 doses, 4 weeks worth of dose. So you're able to use that absolutely fine. But obviously, if you're going to take several pens with you, you need to keep the ones that you plan to use in the future, i.e. you're not using in the next 4 weeks, cold. So will they get taken away from you? So again, for the vast majority of the time, we recommend with any prescription medication is to put it in your hold luggage as opposed to your hand luggage. All medication comes with a label affixed to it, which should have your name on it, which would match up with the name on your passport, ideally. And therefore, if anybody were to check it, they could see that medication is prescribed for you, which also helps. Also, we at the Slimming Clinic always can provide a letter for you to take when you travel as well, which shows again that this medication has been prescribed on a named basis for you, which you can again carry with you. Or if you have sourced medication from elsewhere, if you've got a copy of the prescription from the medication, then that can also be a really good thing to take with you. For our tablet medications, again, these take the box with you, take the label on the box which says your name, again have a letter. So they should not be confiscated from you, because you should be traveling with proof that this medication is prescribed for you on a named basis. Taking all of that, putting it in your hold, you should be absolutely fine. However, if it happens, and we have heard of rare times that patients have had issues, then please do if you're a patient of ours, get in touch. We can talk around it, because obviously in some of these instances it's not your fault that the medication has been taken away. But if you are a patient of ours, reach out and we will give you a travel letter. No cost to that. We just send it to you, and then you can take that with you when you travel as well. Really handy. Maybe try and make sure that the name you order your medication under is the same as the name on your passport. But yeah, there shouldn't be a big problem.